Secret Bracelet. The Secret Bracelet is a wearable device that turns your forearm into a functional touchscreen. Using a tiny projector and proximity sensors, it creates an interactive interface directly on your skin. With this innovative gadget, you can perform tasks like checking emails, browsing the web, or even making calls, all without taking out your phone. It's a futuristic concept that blends convenience with cutting-edge technology. However, the journey from concept to reality has been challenging. While the idea has sparked significant interest, development has faced delays. As of now, the Secret Bracelet remains in the prototype stage. There is no confirmed timeline for mass production or widespread availability. Despite these hurdles, the Secret Bracelet continues to capture imaginations, offering a glimpse into the potential future of wearable technology. Arcimoto FUV. The Arcimoto FUV, or Fun Utility Vehicle, is a groundbreaking electric vehicle designed for urban transportation. As of 2024, it continues to gain attention for its compact size, eco-friendly design, and unique three-wheel structure. Powered by a dual motor system, the FUV offers a top speed of 75 miles per hour and a range of approximately 102 miles on a single charge. This makes it an excellent choice for city commutes and short trips. The vehicle seats two passengers in a tandem arrangement, one behind the other. Its lightweight, open design enhances efficiency and agility, allowing it to maneuver easily through traffic. Safety is a key focus for Arcimoto. The FUV is equipped with a roll cage, seatbelts, and regenerative braking for added protection. Recently, Arcimoto has expanded the FUV's reach into new markets and introduced specialized variants. The Deliverator is tailored for urban delivery services, while the Rapid Responder is designed for emergency services. The Arcimoto FUV is redefining urban transportation with its blend of sustainability, innovation, and versatility. Bilgin 263 Leona. The Bilgin 263 Leona is a stunning superyacht crafted by the renowned Turkish shipyard, Bilgin Yachts. Launched in 2020, this masterpiece is part of the Bilgin 263 series, the largest yachts ever built by the company. Measuring 80 meters in length, Leona showcases a sleek, modern exterior designed by Unique Yacht Design. Its sophisticated interior is the work of H2 Yacht Design, blending luxury with functionality. The yacht offers impressive amenities. There's a spacious beach club with a bar, a swimming pool, a jacuzzi, and an array of water toys for endless fun on the sea. Leona accommodates up to 12 guests in 8 lavish staterooms, including a full-beam master suite. Inside, guests are treated to a world of opulence. The interiors feature luxurious materials, elegant furnishings, and state-of-the-art amenities, ensuring unmatched comfort and style. Powered by twin MTU 16 volts 4000 M63R engines, Leona can reach a top speed of 20 knots. This combination of performance and luxury makes it a standout choice for those seeking adventure with sophistication. Citroën Mobility Vision. Citroën's mobility vision is reshaping urban transportation by prioritizing comfort, customization, and accessibility. The concept is built around two main elements: the Citroën Skate and its interchangeable pods. The Citroën Skate is an electric, autonomous platform designed to glide smoothly through dedicated city lanes. Equipped with advanced sensors and safety features, it ensures a secure and reliable ride. The real innovation lies in the pods, which provide tailored experiences. For example, the Soffle and Voyage pod offers a relaxing mobile spa, while the Power Fitness pod lets you work out while traveling. There's also the JC2 City Provider pod, which turns into a mobile workspace. This modular system encourages shared mobility, reducing the reliance on personal cars and helping improve traffic flow. Citroën's vision presents a future where urban travel is not only efficient, but also enjoyable and adaptable to individual needs. Pebble Flow. The Pebble Flow travel trailer is revolutionizing the camping experience. With its sleek design and thoughtfully arranged living space, it combines style and functionality for modern adventurers. At its core is an innovative all-electric drive system. This dual motor setup is powered by a 45 kilowatts LFP battery, which assists your tow vehicle and reduces fuel consumption. It's a game changer for EV owners who face range reductions while towing. Automation is one of the Pebble Flow's standout features. It can autonomously hitch up to your tow vehicle, making the setup process effortless. A remote control feature further simplifies parking, even in tight spots. Once you're at the campsite, setup becomes a breeze. With the press of a button, stabilizers deploy, the awning opens, and parking brakes engage. It's camping made easy, efficient, and enjoyable for everyone. The Pebble Flow redefines what a travel trailer can be, offering convenience, innovation, and sustainability for your outdoor adventures. Quad E design. The Quad E is an innovative electric quad bike designed for off-road adventures. It combines eco-friendly technology with rugged performance, making it a perfect choice for nature enthusiasts and thrill seekers. Powered by an electric drivetrain, the Quad E delivers a clean and quiet riding experience. It reduces environmental impact while offering strong torque for navigating tough terrains. The bike's frame is both sturdy and lightweight, ensuring durability without sacrificing agility. Advanced suspension systems provide a smooth ride, even on uneven and rocky surfaces. This makes the Quad E ideal for recreational outings and professional tasks alike. With long-lasting battery options, the bike offers an extended range for longer rides. A regenerative braking system adds to its energy efficiency, helping to maximize battery life. Modern features, such as energy-saving LED lights, enhance its practicality and appeal. Whether you're tackling trails or exploring the outdoors, the Quad E ensures a seamless and sustainable adventure. Rezvani Hercules 6x6 ATV. The Rezvani Hercules 6x6 ATV is a high-performance off-road beast with military-grade capabilities and a cutting-edge design. Built by Rezvani Motors, it's made for those seeking adventure in extreme terrains or maximum protection. Under the hood is a powerful 7.0 L V8 engine, delivering up to 1,300 horsepower. This makes it one of the most powerful off-road vehicles on the market. The Hercules 6x6 offers an optional military package, taking security to a whole new level. Features include bulletproof armor, electrified door handles, thermal night vision, and EMP protection. It's one of the safest civilian vehicles available. The vehicle rides on 6 massive 37-inch off-road tires and features an advanced 4-wheel drive system. When needed, you can switch to 6-wheel drive for the toughest conditions. Inside, the Hercules combines ruggedness with luxury. The interior is crafted with premium leather, a high-tech infotainment system, and a wide range of customization options. The Rezvani Hercules 6x6 ATV is the ultimate blend of power, security, and style, redefining what an off-road vehicle can be. Orbitwheel. Introducing Orbitwheels, a unique blend of skateboard and inline skates that brings a whole new experience to wheel sports. With Orbitwheels, you get the best of both worlds in a simple, exciting design. To ride, just step into the hollow wheels, which rotate sideways around each foot. Using a smooth, rhythmic motion, you can move each foot independently, giving you the freedom to turn and accelerate in ways that traditional skates or boards can't. The concept is simple: 2 feet, 2 wheels, and you're ready to go. Orbitwheels are intuitive to use and allow you to navigate with flexibility and ease. Whether you're carving down the street or weaving around obstacles, Orbitwheels offer a unique ride that's sure to stand out. Perfect for anyone looking to try something new in the world of wheel sports. Tesla on Tracks. The Tesla on Tracks concept highlights the Tesla Model 3 Performance Highland Edition, a version designed for high-speed performance on racing circuits. This upgraded Model 3 is built to deliver precision, speed, and versatility. A standout feature is Track Mode V3, which offers advanced customization for traction, handling, and regenerative braking. It's perfect for both casual drivers and racing enthusiasts. Powered by a dual-motor system, this Tesla produces 510 horsepower. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, rivaling iconic sports cars like the Porsche 911. The car features a purpose-tuned chassis and adaptive suspension, ensuring exceptional control on the track. Although it doesn't include air suspension, Tesla's software-based adaptive system provides impressive stability for sharp turns and high-speed driving. What makes this model unique is its dual nature. It's optimized for precision driving on the track while still maintaining comfort for daily use. The Tesla on Tracks concept showcases how electric vehicles can redefine performance and adaptability in the automotive world. The Vertical Aerospace Virginia 2X. In 2016, Vertical Aerospace Limited was founded by Stephen Fitzpatrick, the CEO of OVO Energy. His vision? To decarbonize air travel by blending advanced technologies from aviation, energy, and automotive industries. By October 16, 2019, the Bristol-based startup made headlines. It unveiled the world's first electric air taxi capable of carrying 250 kilograms or 550 pounds. The prototype, known as the VAX-2, formerly named Seraph, completed its maiden flight on August 22, 2019, at Llanbedr Airfield in Wales. At the time of this milestone, Vertical Aerospace had a team of 70 employees and was actively expanding, with plans to hire 20 more engineers, technical experts, and operations staff. By March 2021, the company had grown to a team of 120 talented individuals. The VAX-2 represents a groundbreaking step toward sustainable urban air mobility. It's a symbol of how innovative engineering can shape the future of transportation. Trekol Arctica. The Trekol Arctica is a cutting-edge Russian all-terrain vehicle built to conquer extreme environments. From Arctic tundras to icy terrains and swamps, this vehicle is designed for both commercial use and challenging expeditions. What sets the Trekol Arctica apart is its amphibious capability. It can travel seamlessly on land and water, making it highly versatile in tough conditions. Its unique soft, ultra-wide tires are a standout feature. These tires reduce ground pressure, allowing safe travel over snow, boggy ground, and other soft surfaces. They are also designed to handle obstacles gently, preventing damage to fragile terrains. Powering the vehicle is a reliable diesel engine. It delivers the torque needed for heavy-duty tasks while maintaining durability in harsh climates. This makes it an ideal choice for extreme environments. In addition to its rugged performance, the Trekol Arctica is built to endure. It is highly resistant to environmental challenges, including extreme cold. With safety and resilience at its core, it's a reliable companion for adventures in some of the toughest conditions on Earth. Triumph Tiger Sport 800. The Triumph Tiger Sport 800 is an exceptional blend of sporty performance and touring comfort. Priced at $14,495, this bike is designed to handle both city commutes and long road trips with ease. At its heart is a powerful 798cc inline 3-cylinder engine. It delivers an impressive 113 horsepower and 70 pound-feet of torque. This ensures a smooth and responsive ride, no matter where you're headed. Safety and adaptability are key features of the Tiger Sport 800. It comes equipped with 3 riding modes: rain, road, and sport. These modes let you adjust to different weather and road conditions effortlessly. The optimized cornering ABS and switchable traction control provide extra confidence on the road. For long-distance comfort, the adjustable windscreen helps reduce fatigue, while cruise control keeps things steady on extended rides. The Showa suspension system ensures a smooth experience, even on rough terrain. Weighing 471 pounds and featuring a 4.9-gallon fuel tank, this bike is both versatile and reliable. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring open highways, the Triumph Tiger Sport 800 is a refined choice for adventure seekers. Spacetrain Concept. The Spacetrain Concept is a revolutionary idea in high-speed transportation, designed to completely change how we travel. Imagine a sleek, futuristic vehicle gliding effortlessly through a near-vacuum tube, powered by magnetic levitation technology. With air resistance nearly eliminated, the Spacetrain can achieve mind-boggling speeds, competing with airplanes, but offering the comfort and convenience of a train. Picture traveling from city to city at unprecedented speeds, all while enjoying a smooth, energy-efficient ride. Safety and sustainability are at the heart of this design, with cutting-edge features to ensure passenger well-being and minimize environmental impact. Get ready to experience the future of travel with the Spacetrain, where speed, comfort, and innovation come together to revolutionize how we travel across the globe. Taiga Orca. The Taiga Orca is transforming on-water powersports with its fully electric design, offering an impressive mix of power and sustainability. Priced at $25,499, this innovative personal watercraft boasts a 120 kilowatt tractive unit, delivering up to 160 horsepower. Its electric engine provides exceptional throttle response, making it both responsive and exhilarating to ride. Built for agility, the Orca's unique hull design makes it surprisingly nimble on the water, enhancing control and maneuverability. It has a range of up to 2 hours, allowing for extended adventures without sacrificing performance. Charging is made convenient with level 2 options and an optional level 3 fast charger, which can get you back on the water in as little as 40 minutes. Beyond performance, the Orca offers a zero-emission, noise-free, and odor-free experience, allowing riders to enjoy the water and nature without disturbing it. The Taiga Orca brings a powerful, eco-friendly twist to personal watercraft, perfect for riders looking to combine adventure with environmental responsibility.